Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Geth right here on the evening of May 28th, 2026. Tonight looks to be the coolest night of the next week for central Oklahoma. Temperatures are going to try to fall back into the mid 60s under mostly clear skies, and it's going to fall to right around where the dew point is, especially along and east of I 35, where the dew point's a little higher. And that's going to allow for some fog to develop around 4 a.m. But by the time the sun comes up and burns things off, it'll clear out by around 9 a.m. Now, what we have going on over the U.S. right now is what's called an omega block pattern. If you follow the jet stream, we got a trough here in the west, and then a ridge here in the central part of the U.S., and a trough here in the eastern part of the U.S. And that kind of follows the shape of an omega letter. And so what we've had going on is this trough has caused some severe storms in Oregon today, out here in the west, and then in the east, going to have some northwesterly flow bringing in cooler, drier air to the mid-Atlantic and northeastern U.S. But here in the central part of the U.S., it's gotten this ridge here is warming temperatures up and rising those dew points as well. Now, as we head on into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures are going to rise into the upper 80s and under mostly clear skies. And this trough, the stationary front here is going to start to move northward a little bit due to this area of low pressure here developing over New Mexico. It's going to drag that front northward, and that will allow for some severe thunderstorms to potentially trigger during the afternoon hours in central Oklahoma. And as you can see, we've got a marginal risk here, 1 out of 5, mainly due to the risk of damaging winds and large hail potentially possible. Now, as we head on into later, as we head on into Friday, that's the area, low pressure system is going to cause for some storm risk as we head on into Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Now, as we head on into Saturday, a similar thing is going to happen. We're going to warm up into the high 80s, about 89 degrees for the high, and then this trough is actually going to scoot even closer to our area, and that will allow for some severe thunderstorms to trigger Saturday afternoon as well. And that also gives us a marginal risk due to the risk of damaging wind gusts and some hail as possible as well. Now, after that, we're going to have another ridge start to develop here on Sunday, which will warm temperatures into the low 90s for the high, and then on Monday as well, that looks to be the case. Now, as we might start to cool down a little bit by Tuesday, there may be some shower and thunderstorm chances around. Now, we will keep you posted, especially on tomorrow's systems and tomorrow and Saturday system. And if any severe thunderstorm watches are issued, we'll keep you posted on that. And we'll certainly keep you posted on next week's shower chances as well. Thanks, and have a great and safe evening.